Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and also Happy New Year, because I'm filming this the day I'm posting this and it's the end of December. So yeah, Happy New Year, and hopefully I will have more content next year. I really want to, so I hope I will manage it. And this video will be about unboxing a PUNKRAVE dress. As I mentioned in my last video, well, I want more of PUNKRAVE, you know. I don't know, fell in love with their clothing, so I got another dress. This one is shorter one, and it's really unique and interesting, and I don't have anything like this. I just hope it fits. So I have got the dress from a shop called Phantasmagoria because, I don't know, it is just convenient for me, and the shipping is not that expensive and it's fast. So let's open it. This dress and also the dress before came in a package like this. So yeah, and the dress are called Girl Stalker dress, and I have taken them in size extra small to small because PUNKRAVE has just weird sizing, so I guess every time and take the smallest size, so hopefully it will fit me. So now let's get to the details. So here is the tag. If you haven't seen a PUNKRAVE tag before, it's really simple. It looks just like this. So as for top, it has like this crisscross and really deep V chest cut. How do you call this? I just can't seem to remember, but they have like V cut at front, and it's like crossed, but it's sewn together, so you can't like open it. Then on the waist there are these straps with metal studs on the both. Oh, it's on both sides. So yeah, on both sides it's this. It kind of feels a little bit like false leather, but I'm not sure if it is. It's really weird material. Can you see it? So this is on the both sides from waist to the bottom. It also has these metal studs and it is sewn here. You will see it better when I try it on, but just for your idea. And the skirt is made like from the best material ever. It is this ripped and distressed material. It is super soft. It is like knitted. It feels like knitted. I mean, my shawl feels like this. And it has little butterflies. I mean, it looks like it. Can you see? I didn't even notice this on the website before, but it's really nice. It should be like to the knees, I believe. I hope. Because PUNKRAVE models are usually really tall. First of all, let me tell you something about PUNKRAVE. I think they have really unique designs, and most importantly, their fabrics are really different from other alternative brands that I tried. They feel really natural and like not artificial at all. I don't know, I just really appreciate it, and it's really nice to touch. So that's why I fell in love with this brand, because they just have really nice materials and the clothes are really unique. They're a little bit more on the pricier side, but it is nothing like too extreme. I mean, it's comparable to Killstar, I think. So now I'm gonna try the dress and then tell you my final opinions, or just my opinions on the fit and comfortability and stuff like that. So I'll be right back. So the dress fit really great. It was a little bit harder to pull through my shoulders and stuff like that, but it may be because I have makeup on, so I was careful not to stain them. But yeah, I was worried a little bit about the waist for a second, but it actually fits perfectly on my waist. I have 64 centimeters waist, and it rarely happens that something fits so tight around my waist, so that's nice because I really enjoyed. They are super comfortable. The top part is stretchy, it has a little zipper part here to, I don't know, it feels kind of useless because the top part is so stretchy, but like whatever. I love how it shows off my tattoo, and the cut is not too low, which I really love because, as you can see, I am not really gifted, so yeah. But yeah, I really like the dress actually, and I'm really surprised they fit so well. So I guess it is extra small to small from PUNKRAVE for me. They are really comfy, they will be good for summer. I really want to manage to wear it in winter too because it's really nice. One thing that is kind of weird is this part, which like it is not like sewn on, but it can be easily fixed and I can sew it, so it doesn't really matter. The leather or whatever it is, the part here is fine, it doesn't really bother me. The straps fit good as well. And now let me cut to me trying on the dress so you can see like full body picture. So thank you so much for watching this video, hopefully you liked it. If you want more PUNKRAVE stuff, unboxing videos, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any question about the dress. I will also link the dress in the description in case you wanna buy it. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I just bought the dress with my own money because I really like them. So yeah. I just feel there isn't enough PUNKRAVE unboxings out there and the sizing can be a little bit confusing, so yeah, that's why I made this video. So yet again, Happy New Year, and I will see you next year with hopefully more content. Bye bye!